Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a shine icon effect in CapCut PC. Let's take this icon as an example. First, drag and drop the icon onto the timeline. Adjust the ratio and size of the icon as needed. Next, copy and paste another layer of the icon on top. Go to the Adjust tab, then click on HSL. Set the lightness to 100 for each color based on the colors in the icon. Now, navigate to the Video section and then to the Mask section. Choose Mirror. Scale it down a bit, rotate, and add some feathering. Drag the mask to the top left corner so it doesn't cover the icon. Add a mask keyframe at the start of the clip. Play the timeline and move 1 second ahead, then drag the mask to the bottom right corner. If you want the shine effect to be slower, move the second keyframe to the right, increasing the distance between the first keyframe. And there you have it. You have successfully created a shine icon effect in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.